What's up, YouTube? Hey, it's Tuesday and welcome to the kitchen. And guess what we had? First thing, I want to say thank you. And I mean it. The flour is non-stop. You guys are ordering. I want to give a shout out to everybody who's been doing me their videos. So you guys know I got an upcoming project that's going to be released on YouTube on the 27th of January, right? And I will hope, I guess I was asking if everybody could, like, if you got the flour and you could send me like a 1 to 2, maybe 3-second video saying I got mine, and maybe even showing the food that you cook it with. So if you don't mind being on YouTube, we could use that at the end of our project. I already got a couple of them, some that we're going to be using. Thank you. I think her name is Miss Margaret. Cooking with the Davison, y'all. Cooking with the Davis. Cooking with the Davis, that's her name. She has a YouTube channel. And she gave me this amazing recipe for mac and cheese using my flour. And I made it just to test it out. Girl, you was right. Oh my God. I'm like, what can this flour do? It made macaroni cheese the roux. So if you used to make macaroni cheese, you know it's the roux. And use flour to make a roux to start the cheese sauce. Oh my God. But guess what? That's another video because I am going to do a video on that. But let's get started. We are making smothered hamburgers with green peppers and onions. Top it with your favorite toppings, some mashed potatoes, some rice. My kids just want some bread. Who knows? But I'm going to do it that way. It was for dinner. Here's your ground beef. My hands already been washed, people. I have a seasoning right here. My all-purpose seasoning that I just use. You know I gotta have parsley flakes. That's all I gotta do. And I'm just gonna put some of this on here. Just like this. I wanna get it in here. Now, you don't have my all-purpose seasoning. Season your hamburger the way you like seasoning it. The way it's for you and your family, the way you've been seasoning it all this time. I just want to make sure my hamburger get up in there. And I'm only using this seasoning on this burger, so, and I had just enough just to make this burger so flavorful. And we're going to make some patties. Oh, don't get away from my burger meat. Don't get away. Now you can put your onions inside your burgers. You can put your green peppers inside your burger. I just want to season it. Do what you do to your hamburgers. You know, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. I just want a nice seasoned burger. You can add some A1 steak sauce to this. If I had some, I'd probably put a little bit in here, but I don't. I'm not going to the store. I'm working with working with the foods that's in my cabinet. But I ain't got time to spend extra money. So, I want to turn the stove on, but I want to wash my hands first. Let me go ahead and make a couple of these patties. Circle ball. Burgers, make them kind of big, you know they're going to shrink. Not like a turkey burger doesn't shrink. And my son wanted a flat. He said, Mom, can you please make me a flat burger? They don't like the thick burgers. So, make them flat and wide like that. Gonna puff up, gonna shrink. And y'all hear some rattling noise in the back? That's my son Andrew. As we speak, he had bagging up flour so we could get these orders out. Hands on deck, yeah, everybody. Nice and flat, just like that. I'm gonna wash my hands so I can turn my stove on, and we'll be back placing our hamburger in the pan. Okay, guys, we're back. My skillet is hot. I want to place, see how thin they are? But they make it take up the pan. This is not a big pan. So I'll be cooking some at a time. I'll be bringing you back when it's time to flip them. Yes. We're going to let them cook. And then what I do is that I don't put my green peppers and onions in until I get to the last of my patties. because I don't want them to really like get burnt or anything like that. So what I do is that once I cook up all my patties, and probably the last 4 is when I'm going to add in the green peppers and onions. Then remove all the patties, make the gravy, and then put all that gravy, green peppers and onions all back together in the pan and let it simmer. You're going to love it. Your family's going to love it. Okay guys, I'm about to flip my burgers. And this is the part when I tell you, this is the last 5. Of course, I done cooked a whole bunch of them since then. This is the last 5. So, I'm going to flip these last 5, let them cook. And put my spatula to the side. And I'm coming over here. Well, I already peeled my onions and green peppers. And it's up to you. You know your family. You know what they like. You know, I know my boys. They love onions. I'm not eating this. And which I can. Because, ooh, almost cut my hand. Being on keto, I could really eat this. Hey, that little pinch hurt. Make sure this pair of knives sharp. Amazon, what's wrong with y'all? I could eat this, but it's not what I'm having tonight. I'm actually doing fruit tonight. The young lady, what is her name? Keto and Me. She called Keto and Me. Told me that I could have watermelon. So I decided that my dinner before 7 is going to be a nice big piece of watermelon. And guys, what I'm going to do while this stuff cooks, they cook down, they get all the flavor. Don't forget, I'm going to add the other ones to here too. I'm going to let all this cook down. Drain some of this grease off. Remove the burgers. As much green pepper, they could be red. You know, whatever you like. Again, I didn't go to the store. I'm getting what I have in my refrigerator. That's what I'm using in my refrigerator. Yeah. And the boys like all this stuff. They pretty much like anything that I cook. I know Miss Davis, they love that macaroni. Honey. They love that macaroni. So, we're going to let this cook up. Put these burgers and onions all up in there. Like that. Get them all down in the pot. Stay right there, cameraman. Let me get my other burgers. Come to the side. I'm going to mess everything up now. With the light, cut it off then. You want? Oh, I said, guys, I'm gonna take all my burgers. I want them all. So I want them all. I want them all get that that green peppers and onion flavor before I actually take them out and smother them in gravy. I got some beef broth. I'm going to use my flour. Just give another extra seasoning on top of the seasoning of the green peppers and my season blend I put up in here. Yeah. You know what? I'm going to give me I love this pan, but when I'm doing dishes like this, I need a bigger one. Amazon, here I come, about to order me a big old, that hamburger broke up, that's okay. And we're going to let that sit. Do they got the iron skillets with tops to them? We're going to let that simmer for about 6-7 minutes just to get the flavor of the green peppers and onions all up in the burger. I'm going to take all of this out, make gravy, and put it all back in there again. Watch what I do. So guys, I let my meat and stuff simmer. I'm going in about 3 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter. Look at this. That looks so amazing. My son had to taste a piece to come out the flavor, right? So, it's not that grease that was in there. Because all the grease just cooked down. You want all the stuff from the pan. Oh, look at that. Come on, that ain't going to be good. I just do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's take some of that butter out there. That's okay. And let that butter cook down. And if you don't have my flour, guys, you can still use, oh, look at me now, look at me. You can still use all-purpose flour. Just season it. Remember, do it your way. But get your hands on this flour. I'm telling you, it's going to make the perfect gravy. And you can use water. But I decided to use beef broth today. Just to amp up all the flavors. To make everything so rich and flavorful. Make your mouth want to dance. Yes. I just don't know. I am going in. I use 2 tablespoons of butter. So you got to use 2 tablespoons of flour. Equal parts, okay? Equal parts. I just, just throw everything in there. And just going to let that do what it do. You want to cook it down. See my butter still melting? It's going to melt off. You want to cook it down for at least about 2 to 3 minutes. Just because you don't want that flour taste in your gravy. Look at that color. And at this point, again, if you don't have any broth, you can go ahead and use some water. Get you about 2 cups of water, and you make this gravy as thick as you want it, as loose as you want it, or how you know how your family eat. Look at that. These kids gotta be crazy if they don't want no rice to go with that. They just want some bread. I tell you, sometimes they don't know good eating when they know it. I don't know what to tell them. Okay, I'm gonna turn this down some to about a 2. I believe that flour was cooked down enough for me at this point. Even at this point, when you put your flour in, before you add your water, season it. I'm seasoning this with about 1.5 cups of beef broth. That's all. And you're going to let it get thick. Some nice good gravy with the flavors. And we're going to let that get a little thick. And once that gets thick, we're going to throw in, ooh, yeah. Oh, I'm messing up my good old pajamas. Look at me. This Sunday, y'all. This is what we eating. Well, that's what they eating. I told you. Keto and me told me I could do watermelon. So I'm eating me a nice big piece of watermelon. That's going to thicken up. So I'm going to pull in there. Because I want to thicken up with all them juices. With all them flavors. And they don't want no. You don't let this get thick. But that's going to thick, y'all. Y'all want some of this? Dang! What I'm doing, I'm making a mess. Y'all hear that sizzling? That's okay. It's called soap and water. Clean it up. We're going to let that simmer. We're going to let that get thick. And I'm going to bring y'all back in like 5 minutes. It's not going to take long for this to simmer and get thick. Look at that. Top it with some bread. You better top it with some rice or some good old garlic mashed potatoes. That's what you better top it with. We'll be back when this is nice and thick and simmering. Okay, Soul Squad, we are back in the kitchen. And let me give you a name on it, a correction. The young lady, her name is Jess Keto and Just Me and Keto. Just Me and Keto. Go check out her page, check out her Instagram. She has some good recipes that I will be following. I joined her group for support, but let's look at this. Didn't I tell you that gravy is going to get thick the way I want it? Look at that. Man, make this for your family. Season your flour. If you don't have my flour with the seasoning already in it, just having my flour. Y'all gonna always promote. I'm going to promote till I get this thing in a store near you, okay? The right ears, the right person, somebody's going to hear it. Until you get the flour that's already perfectly seasoned, season your flour, make some rice or mashed potatoes. Guys, smothered hamburgers with gravy, onions, and green peppers. This is a hot meal. It's a hearty meal. It's a fulfilling meal. I can't say no more than that. Until next time, guys, like, share, subscribe, and tell everybody about me and the flour. SoulfulT. I like that. I've been thinking of stuff on the spot, I guess.